Right, so this is the eBay listing for the coffee machine that I've just bought. I paid £165 for it, which is over half the new price, which is just over 300 these days. It's from eBay member 234phone, real name James Old. And we looked down the listing and it said condition used, an item that has been previously used. The item may have some signs of cosmetic wear, but is fully operational and functions as intended. Presumably that means as it says in the manual. Anyway, this is said coffee machine. We've plugged it in around the back and switched it on there. On the front we have 3 buttons and 3 lights. The 3 buttons, the first one is on off, the second one starts the pump, and the third one starts the steamer. 3 lights are, first one is on off, so that lights when the machine is on. The second one, according to the manual, lights up when the water is hot enough for you to make coffee, and the third one lights up when you're running the steamer. Okay, so we'll switch it on by pressing this button, and the no light comes on. This light here is supposed to come on to say that we have power and we're actually heating water, but nothing happens there. But if we listen carefully, we can just hear the water heating up inside. So something is actually happening despite there being no light. Now, according to the instructions, we're supposed to leave it like this until the second light comes on as well, and this tells us that the water is hot enough. Well, I've switched it on for at least half an hour previously and this light never comes on, so that one seems not to be working as well. But there we go, the thermostat is kicked in and turned off the heater, so it thinks it's warm enough. So let's have a go at making some coffee. We'll put some in here. There we go. And put the cup underneath. And start the pump. We are supposed to wait until the light comes on, but that's not going to happen, so we'll just try anyway and see what happens. The pump comes on, and in a little while we see coffee coming out. There we are. Now, I only put enough coffee in for a single coffee, so we'll turn that off again. And we can hear the water heaters come on again now. Now we've used some water. And let's see how that coffee is to drink. Well, it's hot, but not very hot. I'm not going to burn my tongue on that, certainly. So it does produce coffee, but these 2 lights obviously don't work. So in my view, it's not fully functional.